Hello, I'm very happy here to do an unboxing video for another Milwaukee M18 impact drill. This is the newest drill I just got from Milwaukee line, and this is a M18, has a 1,500 pound of torque. Let's do a little unboxing video to see what we got. I actually pretty much like this box here. It's a hard plastic box. Let's open it up. In the back it tells you all the other Milwaukee product that we have. And let's open this up and see what we have inside here. I actually really like this case. If I carry this around the truck or even keep it in the house like a nice little shoe-case. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. You have an M18 Milwaukee drill with M18 battery. And I like this new charger. It actually allows you to charge the M12 and an M18 battery together in one single charging unit here. And also comes with this, nothing but heavy duty. And this is the product line of everything that Milwaukee does and Milwaukee has, which is pretty awesome. All their drill. And they have, this is not the brushless one. This is an older technology with just a standard motor that they have inside. And wow, look, they have a lot of product here. It also comes with instruction, both in English and Spanish here. And this is the M18 drill. And wow, I like this. It's very nice. Let's see. All their drill now incorporate with an LED light. This light dust goes off, and sometimes if you need to see something while you're working, you just put the trigger button and allow you to see. And also the hook for you to hook to your side of the pan is also, you can change it to the left hand or the right hand. And the battery indicator on the conventional the M12 style is always show on the side. This you have to push a button that tells you from the battery. So the battery itself tells you how much battery lifespan they have inside. So instead of plugging the battery and start putting the trigger here to see the battery length, you can just push this button. Now your load is on red, so definitely need to be charged. This is brand new. So, and there you have it. And I hope you like this video. And thanks for watching.